All the templates you can find come with some generic content. You can use it as a draft, but it's recommended that you add your own copy, the one that is relevant to your business. In this video, we'll show how to replace and edit texts on the templates. To replace the default text on the template, select it, press delete, and type in your own. Now let's see what else you can do. Once you click anywhere on the text, a toolbar pops up, allowing you to customize it. Click on the drop-down here to choose a preset. These are text types with inbuilt styles. Click on them to see how the text changes. If you'd like to use a custom font size, click here and enter the value in pixels. Next, try adjusting the text formatting by clicking on the bold, italic, underlined options. However, try not to overuse these settings to keep the copy readable. Continue to edit the text, change the color. Work on the line height and alignment. Enable the bullet list for better text structure or add links to make the words clickable. Finally, you may notice that in some text presets, there are special SEO settings hidden under the gear icon. If you don't see these settings somehow, you can choose another preset. Anyway, the SEO settings allow you to add the H1, H2, H3 tags which help search engines like Google read the page content easily. If you are looking for a way to change the site fonts and the style of these presets, head straight to the general site style by clicking on the three dots here. This is how it works. First, choose a font that looks good to you. See how the texts got updated? Next, click on Edit. There is a list of different text types. Click on each of them to customize it to your liking. For instance, now the default size of the subheading is 18 pixels, but we want it to be 28. Let's change the number to 28 here. Now all the subheadings everywhere on your website will be the size of 28 pixels. Those were the basic text settings. Remember that all the content throughout the template can be customized, so make sure you add the copy that works best for your business.